have a warrant for my arrest active in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts right now.
Everybody out! Outside! Everybody outside!
We out here in Haverhill. We made it to Haverhill, dog. Who the fuck comes to Haverhill? I guess us, huh?
I didn't know there was...
Dude, have you not been down here yet?
No.
Well, let's get a drink.
I need a water.
Yeah, let's get a water. Oh, yeah, it's packed up in here. There's a lot of booze bags in Haverhill, you know? Right, ladies? That's right. I know you heard me. I know you heard me. You know. It's all good. We're all here. You know, one happy family. What are you guys drinking? Vodka? What's up? Whiskey? Jameson. Okay, all right. I'm gonna get a White Claw.
Nice.
Get a White Claw.
Is there like regular...
White Russian? Huh?
Is there like regular like DFW attendance here?
Oh, dude, yesterday there was.
That's hilarious.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh, that's all you. The Keno guy.
That's a regular attendant. That's a regular attendant right there. Hey, it's playing Keno.
That's funny. I should have known.
Yeah. Oh, there's regular attendants here for sure. And there were last night, and they were pumped that we were here.
Oh, it's Eazy Company.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on, man?
What's up, guys?
I follow you guys on Instagram.
Hell yeah.
So you guys are doing the Easy Times show?
We sure are.
What's going on, man? It's your boy Gary. Instagram.
Gary! Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
It's your boy Gary.
Yeah,
It's
man.
your boy
It's
Gary.
your boy Gary. Paparazzi.
There it
We're
is.
making a seat for Eazy Company again.
Damn, we have one there now.
Two of them.
Oh,
Two of them, yeah.
Two?
That's fine. What the fuck is this? What is this? Is it like a lock? Just want to say shout out to Throttle Addiction, okay? Go to throttleaddiction.com, click the link in the description of this video, and buy yourself this up here.
There will be
it's up here?
Yeah.
Click the link up here
Yeah.
to throttleaddiction.com and get yourself some merch and get yourself some parts and some hardtails. They have the best Sportster hardtail in the business. You don't want to hardtail this, but you want to hardtail all the other Sportsters.
Every Evo Sportster should be hardtail.
Every Evo Sportster should be hardtail. Get rid of the shocks. The shocks, they're all factory defects.
Yo, just keep zooming in on this motherfucker with the fucking vest.
You love it. I can't zoom.
Sucks.
Everybody out! Outside! Everybody outside!
That was really angry.
It's so perfect because I have something for you.
No.
Only a joke.
Where are you going?
Stop, drop, and roll! Everybody run! Let's go back.
Funnel, dude. I fucked up.
What just happened?
I don't know. Fire drill. We gotta practice. You gotta practice fire safety always.
And got a Kupakaki there?
Kupakaki, you want one?
Kupakaki. You gave me one.
You want one of those?
Live on the YouTube
This is live right now.
Guys,
What's up?
What's up? That's gonna be a mistake.
Not like face, but
That's
like
gonna be a
mouth.
mistake. Yeah,
Nice. He had his fingers shoved in his mouth.
Wait, Greg, wait. Yes! Yes, dude!
Your mouth tastes good.
Fall down this motherfucker. Holy shit.
There you go.
I met with the fire department. We're all good.
Okay,
We're all
all right.
good, you know?
There you go.
Hi, Easy Code, YouTube. Like, subscribe, follow.
Thank you. Amazing. That's what we needed right there.
If you didn't make it here, I have a warrant for my arrest active in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts right now. So you got no excuses, brother. My old lady won $700 at Foxwoods, and we got her a goddamn Coach badge and a goddamn tennis bracelet with our money from UA, baby. Thank you, Johnny. I love spending your money every Thursday.
I like that. That's
Right. What?
Hold up.
Funnel it.
Got my fat
Funnel it. Funnel it. Funnel it.
Am I supposed to do it with this?
Yeah. Whatever you want. Whatever you're drinking.
This isn't gonna go well. It's like hand sanitizer.
Don't rip my shirt.
Oh, yeah.
It's so heavy. Oh, we gotta give an award out, I guess. Heaviest award I've ever.
Yes. Solid gold.
Excuse me. Sorry.
How'd you get that?
Ethan wins.
SpongeBob.
That's where we go.
Get it.
Of course he lives in a...
We won.
What'd you win?
We won counterbalance cycles and this nifty bag for my drugs.
Hell yeah.
Winning stuff, winning things, winning stuff. It's all about winning stuff. What'd you get, dude? What'd you fucking...
That's what I'm talking
Oh
about.
my God. What'd you get?
I don't know. I think it's from Throttle Addiction, though.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. So, what we need you to do on this one, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to the channel. It's out.
Instagram, TikTok.
Instagram, TikTok, the merch. If it's sold out, you missed out. We're not reprinting that stuff.
We're not reprinting anything.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like.